GM bro, GM Nexus bro, GM Daman bro, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਨੇ? How you guys doing? Okay, we are straight pumping. We are pumping, guys. Bro, why? Why no one's in sending the message? Why? The chat box is empty. Is it because we lost on Tuesday? Is it because of that loss? Taman bro, how's your daddy? How's she now? Better now, brother. That's good, bro. That's good. Nice to hear that. Okay, I'll be looking for your buys. If we get nah man, losses are part of the game. I know, bro, I know, but some people they just come for the winners. They lose trades in London session and they come to the New York session so they can recover the loss. Price take रहे थे ध्यान दे comments. It's okay, bro. It's okay. No worries. I used to have black and white candles, but black and white candles gives you depression. So I think these ones are good. Yesterday was pretty ass price action on CPI. Yes, bro. Yesterday was kind of, I don't know. Like I saw like 10 reels of people um telling to full port on the CPI to pass the challenge, but this candle it blew a lot of challenges, lot of challenges. But yeah, it's a probability game. Okay, so we already took the liquidity. Now where it is heading now, let's see where it is heading now. Okay, this one is already taken. Now the next liquidity is right here, and I don't think the price gonna reach to this area. I don't think the price is gonna reach this area. I think we're gonna see a dump now. We might see a dump now, or maybe same like this. We go to this area and just start consolidating. Gee, what's cooking? Mine is pink. What do you mean mine is pink, bro? What do you mean mine is pink? Anji, what's cooking, bro? Taking out daily highs. Already took the daily highs, brother. Already took it. Now I'll be waiting for um. You know what? We can sell. We can sell. We can sell to these data low. We still have these data low right now. We still have these data low. Okay. Or sideways candlesticks. Obviously, bro, candlesticks. What do you mean? Obviously, candlesticks, bro. Problem is, um, we are so bullish. If someone is selling from here, he probably has balls of steel. Let's maybe 10 a.m. we get something. 10 a.m. manipulation, then a dump could happen. Yeah, keep like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Okay. Okay, we are just pumping to the upside. What is happening? Today is not CPI. The problem is when price is super bullish, it's very tough to sell. What do you guys think price gonna do? Is it gonna reverse from here or it's just gonna pump up? Sideways? Sideways. I think it's gonna drop, bro. I think it's gonna drop because after a pump like this, it has to reverse back. And also, we have liquidity below, but the problem is we are bullish on the higher time frame, right? So technically, we should look for longs. We should look for longs. Technically. Okay, let's wait and pray and wait. Who's gonna sell from here? Is there anyone who's gonna sell from here? I know Dinesh gonna sell from here. I know him personally, so I know what he's thinking. He's gonna sell from here, and he's gonna target this liquidity. He's gonna he's gonna retire his whole generation. Generational fund. You know what? Let me just put this tool right here. So if somebody sees this and they're gonna come to the stream, probably thinking like I'm planning a trade. Let's see. Let's make it dark. Yes, now it's better. 1 to 10. Let's make it like this. Right? And let's do one thing. We can show them we caught this trade. Okay? They be like, oh, this guy knows something. Now see how many viewers we have just by using this tool. This guy knows Trump personally. Yes, I do. ਫੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ 1 to 1 ਆਰ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਬਣਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ? 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਬ్రో, ਬਸ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਬਸ। ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਫੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ? ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਲਈ ਬਾਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ 2 ਦਿਨ। 2 ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੀ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਦੈਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਰਹੋਗੇ, ਬਟ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ 15 ਦਿਨ 'ਚ 10-15 ਦਿਨ 'ਚ ਸਿੱਖ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਕਿ ਕੈਂਡਲਸ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, ਮੂਵ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਅਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੌਨਸੈਪਟ ਸਿੱਖਣ 'ਚ 15-20 ਦਿਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕਰਨ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ 3 to 6 months। ਓਕੇ, ਦੈਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਊਗਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਚਾਰਟ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਰਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਆ। ਇਮੋਸ਼ਨਸ, ਸਾਈਕੋਲੋਜੀ, ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 'ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨੇਚਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਆ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਈਕੋਲੋਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਆ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਦੈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟੇਬਲ ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਰਸ ਬਣਾਉਂਗਾ ਫ੍ਰੀ YouTube 'ਤੇ, ਬੂਟ ਕੈਂਪ ਪੋਸਟ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਟੈਕਨੀਕਲਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅਤੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਣਾਉਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ, ਬਟ ਹਾਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸੂਨ ਬਣਾਉਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ। ਹਾਲੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਡੀਅנס ਇੰਨੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ। ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 'ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਟਜੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਟਜੀ ਸਿੱਖਣ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 10-15 ਦਿਨ ਮੈਕਸ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਬਟ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਈਕੋਲੋਜੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ। ਉਹ ਪਰਸਨ ਟੂ ਪਰਸਨ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ। ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦਾ 1 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟੇਬਲ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਬਣਦਾ 5-6 ਸਾਲ 'ਚ। ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਜੇਡ ਕੈਪ ਬੰਦਾ ਆ, ਉਹਨੇ ਆਈ ਗੈਸ 4.5 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਦਾ ਪੇ ਆਊਟ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਟਰੇਡਰ ਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਆਈ ਗੈਸ 10-11 ਸਾਲ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟੇਬਲ ਬਣਨ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਇਟ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਔਨ ਯੂ। ਅਰਸ਼ ਵਿਕ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਆ ਬ్రో? ਡਨ ਫੋਰ ਦ ਡੇ ਔਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ? ਨਹੀਂ ਬ్రో, ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਚੈਨਲ 'ਤੇ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਬੰਦਾ 1 to 6 ਕੈਚ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, 1 to 14 ਕੈਚ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੂਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਤਾਂ ਹਾਲੇ ਲੈਣੀ ਆ ਬ్రో, ਹਾਲੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ। ਅਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਨ ਕਰਤਾ? contact me for your social media handling। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਓ ਲਾਈਵ 'ਤੇ ਬ్రో ਕਿਸੇ ਦਿਨ ਫਰਾਈਡੇ। ਆਪਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਨ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਸੋਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਨਾ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਫਰਾਈਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੈਸਟ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿਸੇ, ਵੈਸੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ, ਅਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੈਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਕਰੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਹੀ ਫਰਾਈਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ। No trade, staying away. Exactly, bro. I was expecting the 10 a.m. to tap this 15 and then we can get the entry, but nothing so far. Just keep pumping. So yesterday it just created all the liquidity and now it's running it out. We still have the CPI low. Very strange price action, very strange. I don't think we gonna get any trades today, guys. ਭਾਈ ਮੈਂ ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਰ ਦਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਪਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ 2 ਬਾਰ ਫੇਲ ਕਰਤਾ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਤੀਸਰੀ ਵਾਰ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਫੰਡਡ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਬਫਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਸ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਲੂਜ਼ ਕਰਤਾ ਮੈਂ 1 to 1 ਹੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਦਾ bro you are so close to get the payout and you failed it because of your psychology. You passed the account and you were close to the buffer. It shows that you have a working strategy, but I think it's your psychology. जिस दिन भी भाई मैं प्रॉफिट करता थी मैं ट्रेडिंग बंद कर दिंदा सी uh, I have someone who has the same problem. Just in, I mean, when you're in profits, like I had a 10-day winning streak, right? So whenever you are in winning streak, you have a whenever you have a winning streak, you have a confidence. But once you hit 2 or 3 losses in a row, when you have 1-to-1 strategy, then it भाजी प्लीज जिस दिन लॉस करा भाई उस दिन भाई मैं अकाउंट लॉस ही कर bro. I know someone who has the same problem, but strictly just take one trade. एक ट्रेड लो बस दिन दी, that's it. एक ट्रेड लेके अपना सिस्टम best thing मैं I'll suggest you best thing, whenever you enter the trade, just set the TP and SL and close the system. Close the system and don't have the logins in your phone. Sorry guys, मैं ना सवेरे पकोड़े खा लए ते ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਢਕਾ ਰਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ yeah, so just take one trade, log out the account, and that's it. One more thing, if you have this habit of revenge trading, do one thing. Whenever you take a loss, go out just to the kitchen and drink something, drink water or maybe something, and come back after 10-15 minutes. Then you won't take any other trade, trust me. It just the feeling of that revenge trading is just stays for like 1 to 2 minutes after you lose the trade. One more thing, whenever you take a loss and let's suppose you are staying disciplined and you have a losing streak, you lost 2-3 days straight, okay, on the fourth days you're gonna force trades, trust me. You're gonna take stupid trades which doesn't even make sense, like in this range, and you will blow all your funded accounts. Take one trade a day and forget what happened yesterday. Don't look at your P&L. Purchased price action. What price action, bro? We're at the all-time high on the ES. Hmm. All-time highs. Nice. $126. 126 into 2, 252 divided by 12, 21, 21 into 1.6, 33. I was thinking to add more eval to portfolio. Suggest me something. Where should I go? Should I try FTM or future again? Futures. I never received any payout from futures, so I am not an expert in futures. I'm still getting into futures. But CFD, I can suggest you to go with FTMO. But I don't think if is FTMO available in India, then you should go with FTMO. For futures, I'm still doing some. I mean, I'm on my way to get the payout, but um, CFD, FTMO. Then go with FTMO, bro. Trust me, go with FTMO. They give you payout in just one day. You request the payout in the morning, you get the payout in the evening, I guess, and you get your account back in 3 or 4 hours after your payout. So best. FTMO is the best. Other prop firms, they are shady. I lost so much money trading with them. Like some of the prop firms, they got shut down. Which plan should I buy? 100k one or two one step that has best? Two one step has best day rule, right? No, just buy 100k. 100k, just 100k. Depends, totally depends how much you risk. If you wanna take it conservative, then buy 100k. And if you're gonna go aggressive, then buy 250Ks if you can. Then go aggressive on both of them. Trade first one aggressive. If you blow the first one, then trade the second one aggressive. But if you wanna take less risk, like 1%, then go with the 100K. 100K is the best option. Once you pass the 100K, then you only need to make like 2%, 1 to 2%. If you're in India, like $1,600. 1,600 is 1,60,000 rupees. Somewhere around like 1.5 lakhs. No, I mean steps or 2 steps. 2 steps don't have it. I don't know about 1 step. Let's see. I only have a okay 1 step. Let's see what they have. 100K best value 499. 10% max daily loss. I mean, if you're trading 1%, if you're risking 1%, then 3% is not a problem for you. 10% max loss. Trading period unlimited. Best day rule. Okay, so they have best day rule, bro. So for example, you need to trade 3 days. You need to make 3,000 to get the payout. Okay, so this is the thing I don't like it, because for example, if you win like 2 days in a row and you wanna secure the payout, you can't. I don't know if they this rule is like, for example, if you make $1,000 on the first day and due to the slippage you make $1,100, then you need to make I mean your total payout. For example, if you're requesting $2,000, so it shouldn't be like that, like one day you make 11,000 and another day you make $900. I'll go for 2 steps, and yes, two step is the best right now because they have a 90% off. It's cheap and they don't have any rule like consistency. I think they also don't give back the fee. It's non-refundable. So if you know that you can pass the challenge, then just go with the 2 step. You will get the fee back. This is the best option for right now. If you want to get the deal, this is the best. Any hidden rules or something I have to aware of if I'm fund the stage according to your space? No, 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 no. They have no hidden rules. Just risk 1%. For example, if you make 1% on the first day, you don't need to trade 5 days. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for 14 days and get the payout. Our spread good on MT5, not that great as compared to other prop firms. I think FTMO has problems with the spread, but I mean it's manageable. It's not that bad, but comparing with other prop firm, I think they can do better. I don't think we're gonna get anything today. I have. I don't think we will be getting anything today. Probably. I don't know. I need a deep retracement. I don't want to take this tap. I don't want to take this tap and just. You know what I mean? So. Mm, let's see. Let's see. I was planning for longs from this 30-minute FVG, but the problem was the CPI candle and the liquidity below. But it's all right. Okay, it's getting boring. मैं एक रूल बनाया मींस मैं ऑब्जर्व किया अपनी जर्नल तो जिस दिन बॉटम या टॉप लिक्विडिटी स्वीप नहीं होंगी आफ्टर न्यूयॉर्क ओपन लाइक जिमें अज मैं प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन ही नहीं करता जस्ट चार्ट्स हाँ या एग्जैक्टली चलो ਆਪਾਂ for example we are in like bullish trend, right? If we're in bullish trend and we don't sweep any of the liquidity below the price, that means price is people are willing to buy it higher cost. Okay, so with this scenario we can assume price at some point can come back and retrace a little bit and we can take a liquidity, right? But problem is, if we are not getting, if even we are not getting this, then just stop trading everything. I don't think it's the day, because what are you gonna do with this all this? I just saw some of the Instagram stories of people, um Patty and the other traders, they took this 15-second inversion, or I don't know, from here. I don't think that make any sense, because we have liquidity below like this, right? We have this liquidity, we have Asia low, we have CPI candle low. This is very strange. I mean, how people are taking these kind of setups. I mean, they can take the setups because they have a lot of money. They've already made so much money from the pro firms. This changes a lot in my trading. मेरा drawdown बहुत control हो गया है, quality setups बढ़ गए. Exactly, bro. You just need like maximum 10 good setups in a month. That's why I say to you on very first day, my trades always align with you trades, because I have not the same, because I have not that same. You are far better than me, but yeah, kind of similar. Understand as you. I mean, bro, um I do make mistakes sometime, but I'm not that perfect. But it's just the market, bro. Market is pretty bad right now. Like, um, everyone is talking about it. Like, even ICT is saying that the market is trash right now. So um don't force yourself too hard. I guess we took the loss on Tuesday, right? This loss, I made a mistake on this trade. Even if I take this trade right here, I would have lost just by $100. So it was my losing day. Now, this week has been absolutely ass. Not taking a bad trade is also a good trade. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Okay, guys, I don't think we will get anything. I'll just end the stream. I have no hopes from it because now if it's just gonna reverse back, it's just gonna go deeper. I don't think there's a point for waiting. I don't want to see this chop throughout the whole session. Is Trade Syncer good? Best trade copier? I heard Trade Copia is best and affordable. Trade Syncer is expensive and I had some issues. Go with the Trade Copia. I never used it, but I was just searching on YouTube how to do copy trading in futures. I think I should end the stream. Should I end the stream or wait for 11? I don't think there's a point for waiting. $20 but waste of time. Exactly, bro. 20 minutes. I don't think anything happening right now. I'll just end the stream. There's a no point, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care. Take care, bro. Daman, bro. Take care, everyone.
Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. You don't have to have anything. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session in New York, You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This shit works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back.